Hey guys, it's Andy from Magoo Investing. Today I'm going to be talking about how I lost 5% in one day last week in the stock market. And so these videos aren't as fun to make as me talking about how I made 5% in one day, but I think these are the type of lessons that people need to learn because I've been doing this for over a year at this point, and I thought I was over making these dumb decisions, but last week I made a really dumb decision and I paid for it. So let's talk about it. So the past couple videos I've been making on the channel, I've been talking about how I think the market's going to fall further. And so when the two news events came out about the tariffs and when the two news events about the Federal Reserve and the China trade war came out a couple weeks ago, I went short in the market to protect myself. And so I was going slightly more into the short side than the long side just to protect myself, because if the market was going to fall, when I'm trading the 3 times weighted ETFs, I wanted to be able to protect myself and not take that full fall. And so I was doing pretty well when the market fell. I was positive when the market was going down. And then on Tuesday, we had the news come out that Trump decided that the tariffs weren't going to go in place until December. And so when I first read that, I'm like, oh, that's not that big of a news. It's just kind of pushing back what we've already talked about. And I didn't think it was going to matter that much. Stock market did not think so, was up around 2% on the day. And my emotions got the best of me at that point. I saw that things were up a lot more than I was kind of expecting, and I decided to sell my shorts because I thought, oh, maybe this will be a nice couple week patch where things will be going great. And so I sold my shorts, and the second I did that, I was like, oh man, that was stupid. And I did something even more stupid, but I toned back on that one. So I sold my short positions and then immediately bought long positions. And I sold those immediately after I used one of my day trades. And I was like, man, that was really stupid. Never trade with your emotions. But I did not get back into my shorts because I thought, oh, maybe the stock market will run up for a couple days. The next day, on Wednesday, we had the news come out that the yield curve inverted, which is a sign that potentially there is a recession coming, and the stock market tanked. And so since I sold all of my short positions and I was only long a 3 times weighted ETF, I was down around 5 to 6% on the day. And so just from one news story, me letting my emotions get the best of me, selling my shorts, even though I've been talking about this for so long that I think the stock market's going to be falling further, I made a dumb decision. I sold my shorts and didn't get back into them after I knew I made a mistake. And so I paid the price on that, lost 5%. Not a huge deal. It's a learning experience. So hopefully you guys learn from this. Don't let your emotions get the best of you when you're trading, especially if news comes out, the market reacts. Give yourself 24 hours, and I would highly recommend not making any decisions on your positions until the market's closed. If that news came out and the market wasn't open, I would have stopped and thought about it. But since I had the ability to get out of my shorts, I did. So I made the mistake on that. Hopefully going to learn from it. I'm back to 50-50 on my shorts and longs to protect myself. And it's been pretty volatile out there, and I'm very curious to see how things go for the next couple weeks. But until then, I'm going to be protecting myself on my short-term positions and just kind of holding steady in my long-term stuff. So hopefully you guys learned something from this. Don't trade with your emotions and kind of think things out before you change your positions. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next video.